achieve. %40 off ACGM, that's nice. I'll send that in. Yeah. What is this? That Lowe's bin. Get a route he's taking today. Yo, what we saying, boys? Nick, what's good, man? Me, what's good? Ash, Pascal, what we saying, boys? How we doing, man? How the fuck are we doing, boys? Trying to find a good tune to put on, man. This is a little banger. Yeah. Alright, that's better. Right, boys. Pretty much the end of the year now, man. We've still got price moving. I mean, today we've kind of just moved down, and now New York's just moved up. That's sort of all what price has done. We've not really made any progress today. Realistically, GU's continued up a little bit further for today. Again, just makes sense in terms of the market. EU, same sort of thing. Bullish move initially, and now we're sort of boomed it down. But we'll have a look at the reactions we have on that Friday high. That's sort of our support level, realistically. Gold we've seen come back down a little bit, but we did make these equal highs, which is very nice through New York. New York. This is Fridays, no, this is Tuesday. This is Asia, and this is New York. But I still want to see the XY come up a little bit, really. I mean, especially because we've got the new day opening gap is sort of mainly what I'm looking at. New day opening gaps, by the way, are mainly always get filled. Mainly always get filled. It looks like some people in the free share looking for GU sells. Hamza, are you looking for EU longs? Let me disable that. You might look at the EU buys, GU buys. Let's have a look at this in the catalyst. I was gonna go through and back test a little bit more further with the ALG, so we can go ahead and look at that. But again, continuation still hasn't come through yet. Still waiting for these high levels to get swept. Alright, perfect. Let's drop down. Thing is, again, we're still so fucking high. The monthly, that's what's completed. Any CRT? No 4 hour. Only 4 hour really got is that kind of completion. And then I guess this candle. So we could come a little bit deeper. We could come a little bit deeper into this fair value if this CRT is the candle we want to grab. We are close to grabbing it. So I feel like, yeah, if we want buyers, nice. Again, always 3 p.m. This is like the best time to place your New Yorks if you're trading just after stock exchange open. I've actually not looked at Forex Factory at all today. Let's have a little look. I can't remember if we've got anything this week. Oh, we've got consumer confidence at 3. Which is looking good for the dollar. So again, if we are expecting EU to come down, it is nice for it. So that is definitely something to look out for. That's actually only in about 15 minutes time, so I'd definitely be careful about 15 minutes with the CB confidence consumer. I don't think that's. I think there is a capacity come out quite. Again, we've had a bit of stuff that's actually come out quite bullish for the dollar today. GDP price index come out pretty well. Prelim GDP, yeah, come out decent. Actually come out fucking bare, bro. Expected to come out lower. So that in terms of growth is actually really good for the US, especially because the expectations were shit. So no, it's moving well. ADP weekly employment change come down a bit. I think that's obvious though, man. I think we are still seeing a weakening of this labour market within the US. But yeah, I would wait because that kind of looks bullish dollar, but we'll just see how it comes out, right? We're not 100% sure it's going to come out. Tomorrow, so we've got bank holiday. Day after bank holiday. Then we're straight back. I know we bank holiday. No, nothing. Okay, Monday's 29th. If I see on the 30th. That's sort of the next big thing going on. So CB, this is our only news before until really like New Year's day before New Year's Eve really. But I would wait if you're looking to long EU. I would definitely be careful with that. I'll definitely be careful. But what's good though, boys? How do we all do this year, man? How do we do this year? I don't really care about percents and payouts and stuff. How do we actually do this year? Like, person to person, how do we actually do this year? How do we do, man? You feel like you've progressed in the direction that you feel like you needed to or wanted to? Again, boys, it's not always about passing accounts, getting funded and stuff like that, right? Again, when you're on the journey, it's not always about that. And I feel like sometimes coming back to realisation and accepting that it's not always just going to be so quick. Even though you always kind of know that it's going to be long. You kind of know that. Like, everyone kind of knows it, but you don't want it to be, right? And it's annoying because it is. But again, I feel like always coming back to realisation, accepting that fact. So even if you didn't get a power, man, how did you actually do? How'd it go? How'd it go? Did you progress? Did your trading get better? Have you acknowledged that fundamentals are key? Whatever it may be, boys, let us know, man. I want to hear how everyone's progressed this year. Because again, I could happily argue that even if you had a better year money-wise, you might not have had any growth within. So I feel like a lot of people, growth is a lot more I get a lot of time that growth, the satisfaction from growth in yourself is fucking sick. Sometimes even better than payouts, man. My psychology need to work, but I'm at the point now where that's not a problem anymore. Josh, you got it, broski. I like that. And that is massive. Bro, that is massive. By the way, being able to overcome psychology is hard, bro. It's the reason why people are profitable and why people are unprofitable, right? The progress is lovely so far. That's what I like to hear, Pascal broski. I see you in these streams every single time, bro, and I fucking love it. It goes to show you, man, are persevered, bro. Because you man don't come here to see trades. I like your guys' mindset is good because you man know you ain't coming here and seeing trades, right? I mean, this New York session we normally just talk and speak about trading, maybe speak about what happened the day of, the previous day, what should be happening coming up. Understanding more fundamentals. So I like your guys. Like everyone who joins in New York, I respect you guys heavily because a lot of people that join London, I get it, right? It's the time to trade, but also I like it because there's people that actually put time into their craft like this. Like the same way I do, the same way I'll go back over the market. So I put time in my craft, and when you guys do the same thing, man, bro, I've got nothing but respect for you, man. Been a good end to the year. We're making good progress. I'm only starting to learn from July. Seb, that's very good, bro. That's mad because It's mad because I see you guys so often every single day that it's like you only being here for X amount of months, bro, is fucking insane. I mean, July, what's that? The June, July, what's that? The 6th month? So, I mean, what, 6 months, 7 months you've been in here? Maybe less, I don't know, fuck knows. But that's insane. But Seb, I would have thought you'd been in there for time, do you know what I mean? But nah, bro, I'll be real, if you're turning up to like these streams, you're gonna make a lot of progress. Just understanding that shit is actually sick. By the way, how did the London 10k giveaway go? By the way, how did the London 10k giveaway go? You're gonna have to explain to me what that is, broski. I'm not too sure what we're going about. Is that something that Lou said? Did Lou say that? Richesse to the moon, boys. Come on, Fletch. You know the pattern, broski. You know the moves. I just want to... We'll see how this comes out. If there's not really anything we can look after that, we can just go ahead and back test a little bit more with the ALG. Nothing better than going back through data, boys. Looking at shit you could have done. Canada gross domestic product came out actually quite decent. We family, we got this together. Streams our windscreen of what to expect. Really appreciate your platform. Receive my flowers. No, I respect it, bro. What a lovely comment, Martin, man. Appreciate you, bro. $2026 is going to be a big year. 100%, bro. We do it again, bro. We go again. Oh, boys, it's a good game. Trading is a good fucking game. Man, I love this shit. I fucking love this shit. Man, I don't know if I'll ever get bored of this, man. This is why we go live every day, man. We love this shit. We really love this shit. I think by the looks of it, by the looks on PRQ, we are kind of looking at we're going to have a weaker dollar, man. It kind of does, that is what we are going to look at. So we're going to look for that to come out and then we go back through the strat. Let me actually get it ready on FX replay. But let's go back through November now. We went back through December. I think our results were something like, I think it was 5.1%. And I did, like an absolute idiot, go too quick on the chart. So we missed out on a 1.5R. So, but I won't count that in. So we'll say 5% just from December. And that is, again, not the full December. That is from Monday the 1st to, I want to say end of last week, I'm pretty sure it was. But let's see how this comes out for the dollar. So we move. Richesse takeover. Come on, bro. Still in a trade from this morning. You're still in a trade? What? Still in a trade from this morning. Should I exit for news? You're still in a trade? Where did you... What was your TP for the EU buy, Josh? Just trying to delete DTI then. What's your... No way you're still in EU, Josh. Just under break even. If I'm being honest, bro, you've been in it for so long, I'll just say keep it open, man. To be honest. I mean, this news, bearing in mind CB Consumer isn't actually a high impact news, it's just an orange folder. But it is looking to come out bullish dollar, and I kind of am expecting the dollar to come back to at least sort of the new day opening gap, especially with that news incoming. But obviously, just for the literal principle, I'll just probably keep it in because it's not high impact, right? What was you aiming for? You was aiming for... Let's have a look what you was aiming for. 1.11804. Your trade was what? Something like DTI, right? If you're like break even now, let's say your entry was down in here, and you was aiming for 4.2. You was aiming for prior week high. 32 pips. It's not crazy. I'll be real. That's just super unlucky, bro. That is just super, super unlucky. I'll be honest, that is so unlucky. That's very, very unlucky, Josh, I'll be so honest. Didn't know I still had this much chart. But yeah, I'll be honest, that's just so unlucky. But again, for me, bro, I'll go straight principle, keep it open. Do you know what I mean? I'll say just for the sake of principle, keep it open. Where's your stop loss? Josh, just send me your... Oh no, you did send it in, didn't you? Let me have a... Just send it in chart check again for me, Josh. We'll have a little look over it, bro. When June came back, was that break even? Yeah, that's fucking annoying, man. That's annoying. Going into a fresh new year... going into a fresh new year for funding for the first time, Richesse W. Come on, Nick. Fucking beautiful, man. Lovely. By the way, boys, we are giving away more funded accounts on like the second day of Jan, so... We'll see you boys there, man. Not New Year's Day, the day after. What day's the Friday? I think it's the 2nd. I'm pretty sure it's the 2nd. Yeah, Friday the 2nd. So Friday the 2nd, I'll give away a few accounts. And again, that's all for the new sign-up. So if you're a new sign-up for the new year, this is the best time to jump in. Check the free chat laughing face. Oh, God. No way. Alright, boys, go look in the free chat. Go look at the trade. Oh my days, bro, was that a prank? Oh, that's a piss take, mate. So position 15-minute candles. Right, that is so big. Nice one, Josh. Just put this on. Wait, 2 seconds. Let me put a song on that doesn't make me want to fucking... Even though they are actually bangers. Ooh. That's it, right? Okay. Bro, I'll be honest. I'd say for principle, keep it open, man. Like just literally for the sake of principle. Yes, bro. I wanted to join your mentorship. What is like pre-recorded videos like 1-to-1? It says book a free call today. Larry, is that possible, bro? 100%. You can book a call, bro. I mean, I could just tell you exactly what's in there now. We can jump on the call if you want. But what's in the mentorship, right? There's 2 sides to it, okay? So we've got the 2 sides. One side's the website, and the other side is the Discord. On the website is all the pre-recorded contents, okay? So this is essentially your infrastructure for trading. So it goes over structure. I'll just put S. It goes over structure, goes over liquidity, goes over points of interest, it goes over confidences, and it goes over trading plan. So this is like your main infrastructure for trading. Then you move over to the Discord, which has all the extra curriculum, that has more pre-recorded videos, but also has the video calls in the morning from 6:30 to 8:30. Essentially, we go through the markets every single day. Well, except from Fridays. Fridays we do it in a free chat to everyone, but again, you can still join them fucking calls. But yeah, so we do it every single day. Every single trading day. And also we've got, like I said, all the other pre-recorded stuff. So we've got psychology videos, fundamental videos, case studies, so much. Everything you need for trading in there. But so yeah, there's sort of 2 sides to it, brother. But if you still want to jump on a call, feel free, man. Don't hesitate to jump on a call with us, man. I'm still kind of expecting the dollar to come up though. We'll see what this news comes out. We've got about 2.5 minutes, I believe. Yeah, 2.5 minutes. I mean, hopefully for your sake, bro, it comes out nice, innit? Hopefully it comes out bad for the dollar. But it is expected to come out quite good. Richard manufacturing to come out higher as well. What's gold saying? Gold's obviously made those equal highs. So for me, we're going to have the move up, right? But we need a catalyst to do so. So it looks like price is just seeking out for areas. We do actually have a... Is that daily open? What the fuck is that? Oh, swaps hour. We've come back to swaps hour now. I don't know where we want to react off, but obviously we know we're going to move back up. I mean, come on, bro. But we probably will start having a little bit more of a correction. You've got to look at the move we've already had. Like, look at this shit, bro. We've got to correct that. We can't just see price moving up like that. We're going to see it come back down. I don't know what type of fair value is going to come in. Ooh, move that back. Right, bro. Did we hit 4-5? No, we didn't. Oh, my goodness, bro. We actually nearly did, you know. That's nuts. That's insane. Case scenario DXY comes up for EU to clear Asia's lows if swept buyers in position ends. Let's have a little look. That's the thing, we haven't actually swept lows, and that's kind of what I would, why this stop is kind of scary because of that Asia sweep. But I mean, if it wants to come down, I mean, I mean, again, I'll just say it's peak because, bro, you just didn't TP. And that's just so peak, I'm not even gonna lie. Only God can judge me. But yeah, I reckon I definitely still see DXY coming back up again. We've had nothing telling us it's going to come back down yet. So it looks like maybe the only catalyst is Asia's high. In other words, the new day opening gap. The end dog. The end dog. You click something I didn't mean to click. Right, how's that come out? That's come out just now. Let's see how that comes out. Succeed. Oh, it did come out. Oh, it did come out. Oh, it come out better. It didn't come out as good. It come out higher. So it is kind of still bullish for the dollar. But again, it's not. It might not be massively bullish. But again, I feel like it's still a problem for the trade. Yeah, that's out. Unlucky there, Josh. Bro, I'll be honest. That's just so unlucky. That's just so fucking unlucky. Still got Richmond trying to come out. That's just so unlucky not hitting that TP. I mean, how many pips is that, bro? Fucking 2 pips, if that, 1.92. That's just unlucky, man. Simple as that. GU still hasn't come for that monthly imbalance either. Manufacturing index, that come out alright for the dollar as well. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, so it's mildly bullish for the dollar realistically. Hopefully we still get more movement. Look at this stuff. I have to log into this every time. We'll see the reaction upon Asia low. I guess same for GU. GU's a little bit further away though, so and we still had that stronger pound, bro. Let me live. Right, should we have a little look at this November? I'm gonna have to put this on again though. Right, we're gonna have to start on the 3rd of November and on the 28th. Right, what's going on? We're still not really moving. We're fucking taking ages to get up there. Taking ages to get up there. Bro, let's get some information about these markets. Again, because we've seen that weaker dollar, we've been seeing that stronger yen. But now we've seen that yen obviously rebalance a little bit further. But can we see that catalyst back off? A little knee jerk back off, man. That's what we need. I still want to see this. I really want to see the dollar fucking move. We're not really getting much movement within this silver bullet. Makes sense though, right? Something I've spoken about quite a lot, but I want to say it again. Year-end portfolio rebalancing. If US assets, especially equities, moved a lot over the year, global investors often rebalance back towards target weights and or adjust hedge ratios. These actions can create big one-way effects, demand around month-end and year-end fixes. Big institutions increasingly manage FX risk actively, so hedge funds flow can move spot more than the price expects. So that, again, that is sort of why December is a time you don't massively want to be fucking trading. A lot of portfolio rebalance to the point where you're probably just seeing assets get bought, like safe haven assets get bought, and that's why normally you do see traditionally gold boom every single year. Any mentorship discounts over Christmas? Bro, drop me a message. I'm pretty sure we still got discounts. I think we still got discounts from last week. So drop me a message, bro. I'm assuming you're in a Discord. If you're in a Discord, bro, just drop me a message. Perfect, bro. Top man. Top man. Nah, I appreciate it, bro. We'll get you all signed up already. And again, all new sign-ups get put into the giveaway that starts 2nd of January. So again, boys, if you sign up for that time, and boys, all the members, if you remember, 2nd of January, we're doing a giveaway on the Friday, same time, like 2:30. Oh, Lord knows I tried. I've been a witness to homicide. We're just not really moving. You know what, fuck it, let's just go back through. Let's go back through. Witness to homicide. Let's go back through November. Oh, fuck you, wait, hold on. It's meant to start at 6. Fucked it, bro. I've already fucked it. Right, November AG. Why would I clear it, bro? Alright. We'll just go to 10. Actually, no, in case we are in a trade, let's just go to the end of the day. Yeah. Yes. Does that count? Can I do that? Wait, is that right though? Can it be the end of the day? Is that the end of the day or the start of the day? I'll just do that. Although while listening to Biggie and Diddy on my mind, wanker. Wait, what? Yes, bro, we joined a mentorship yesterday. Come on, Samuel, bruv. All the while listening to Biggie and I've got Diddy on my mind. Oh shit, we still got shit on our chart, right? Let's fucking delete everything. We just need the indicator. Right, let's go. Let's just go straight through November. I remember November being quite slow. But we'll see for the raw ALG how it actually was. First thing we need to put this on 5 minutes actually, because that's what fucked me yesterday. Now we put it on 5 minutes. Why did I do that again? How have I done it off the bat again? Fuck! Right, I need to stop doing that. Right, it should. I'll just buy a stop it again, or sell stop even. If you's a true player. Boys, we just don't even fuck up. Like even if we miss, we don't miss. Do you know what I mean? Like we can recuperate shit. Like that don't even matter. True interest. Oh. Right, let's go. What number is it? That's actually very quick. I ain't even gonna care. We continued even higher. I guess there's just no trade here just yet. That's realistically a trade for it. I don't like the look of it as well, so it's a hard time. Oh, I didn't put the trade on. What am I doing? Oh, I didn't put the trade on. I didn't put the trade on. Oh, what a dickhead, man. Oh, bro, I'm such a dickhead. Can we go back? Can we go back? Your account settings. Oh, I kind of have to, man. I can't keep doing. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to miss it out now, man. Oh, that's actually no. You know what? I'm not having that. We had that trade anyway. How do we change that? How do we change? Is there any more information? What does it say? It says enable in your account settings. Session settings. I need account settings. Here's my account. Why do you take me there? Just take me there. How do I get there, Bresky? Oh, bro, that's actually bare annoying, man. Oh, I'm such a dickhead. Can I go back? No, man, you're taking the mick. Oh, that's actually bare annoying, bro. I'm such a dickhead for that. Mate, that's another 3R. Wait, we haven't even TP'd. Wait, hold on. Wait, we haven't actually TP'd yet. Fuck's sake. Oh, have I done that again? I can't believe I've done that. Go settings on the homepage. Alright, we have to do that. I can't be. That's bullshit. I don't want to give out most man have my phone number anyway. Actually, just in case it's like my mum's maiden name or my doctor's prostate number. I don't actually know what's in the back of this. Oh, there's nothing actually. Never mind. I don't think there's anything. Then if there was a card or anything. Right. What do I go to? Strategies, testing. Can I change it here? Account settings. Account. How can I change it? Oh, you can add spreads and shit. Oh, fuck, bro. I didn't even know that, you know. Let's fucking do that. We go $1 a lot, I guess. Sorry, $1 a spread. What, a dollar a pip? Is it dollar a pip? Oh, I can't remember what it actually is. You know, it's not even that long. So where the fuck do you edit it then? Where did you edit it, boys? Sessions. It's already straightforward, this, is it, lads? Oh, backtesting. I was there. Fuck. Backtesting. Ah! Okay, gotcha. Right, let's go back. Sessions. Alright, let's go back. How I've got to stop doing that though, seriously, I've got to stop doing that. Right, I knew we need to. Oh, that's the closure, right? Call me round 10. I don't know if that's too quick or not. Oh, no, that's better. Ooh, biggie. Oh, what an eventful morning that's been, innit? Fucking hell! It's 10 o'clock already, pretty much. I worked for that mentorship this guy. That's fair. Wow, I didn't know my haircut was this bad right now, bro. Whoa, what's going on with my trim? I've got to start wearing hats and shit. I'll start wearing shit on my head. Sometimes you wish you see. I don't think there's a trade here. Yeah, no trade. We just took Asia's low. So at 10 o'clock, let's continue, boys. Already 7.5% up. That's Asia's high already. We need a fair value though, no fair value. Okay, well well. What is going on here? I guess we are just trading around Asia, so. Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. For all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's not a trade here, it's 9.50, there's no trade. It was all a dream. I should read What Up magazine. So punk, I'll never be up in a limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rapper type Mr. Magic on the wall. I let my tape rock to my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo. Sipping on private stock. Way back when we had to rent it like lumberjack. With the hate to match. Remember rapping through the hall. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I run tight. Throw up like the world's trade. Born sinner. Oh. Mace, why do you keep fucking forgetting that, bro? Bro, right, okay. Wait, hold on. I'm right. Bro, why can I not fucking remember to keep putting the actual position on? Sorry, boys, I keep doing that now. At least I can actually go back now. But let's see how this goes. Oh, was that a stop loss? Okay. That's a stop. So up close and personal, left up and leech. Right, next day. TikTok, oh god. Wait, this isn't gonna get me. Nah, surely you can't get me banned. Oh. Wait, in all seriousness, those nonces are insane. Those nonces are an absolute joke. Like, come on, mate. You've been cool. Come on. You know what I mean? The jig's up. You know what I mean? My phone was high. So, mate, we've got a picture of your literal boner. What do you mean your account's been hacked? You was on FaceTime in the bath. Sorry, mate. What do you mean your phone's been hacked? Anyway, let's see if we get the 5-minute trade through back to the downside. I mean, we're going for higher fair value using this one. Okay. And the whole crew is bouncing. Hello, Mimi girl. Public housing. Hello, Princess. Come here. Come on. Come back test with us. Hey. Come on. You say something sauce. When a landlord dissed us, no heat. Wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne from the first day. You're looking right at the camera. Oh, I should pick up my hand. Imagine being the one nonce who genuinely was hacked. Innit? Imagine that. Imagine actually being the one that does get hacked. That's fumes. No trade through. What's the time? 8:25. We still got time. Wait, can I just move? Sorry, what? You know very well who you are. Oh, what a tune, bro. What's the deal? When it rains, it pours. Only time you cancel limit if price is already taken over, just like, well, TP. When it rains, it pours. Mimi, is that 11 bags? Bro, look at ALG if it was raw. Bro, ALG raw has actually been better than my strategy, it seems. At the start of November, holy shit. So slick. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you? You little bubble cheek girl. Pockets on swell. I said, hell no. Oh, I skipped it a bit too far. Actually, no, we're good. You don't trust no bitch. When it rains, it pours. Just because. That's 2 stops. Is that 2 stops, 3 dubs, I think? I'm not joking. Oh! Oh. Whoa, no. Come on now. That breath is dreadful, bro. I literally gave you one of those, like, dental things, bro. What the fuck? Are you smelling like that? What happened there? That's all you had. The monkey boss. When the rains it pours. Bro, there's no way. Not saving. Oh, what about? Bro, I've actually seriously got to stop doing that because that is so annoying. Bro, there's no way I've done that again. Sorry, boys. FX replay was very different when I used it when it was like first the thing. Wanna get down? Go on in, baby. Sorry, what did you say? Oh, just save. Oh, okay. Save. Just save. We was very close on that one, to be fair. Very, very fucking close. But another 2 are, boys. I mean, fucking hell, Jesus Christ. Could even get some nut cells there. Let's wait for a treasure of 1. Could be nice. Fucking hell. Can't have a trade with a stop loss on that high. We've got to see it come down. We still got time. Fucking hell, what was this day, bruv? Never mind, let's just continue, because that's already... I know we're not actually past 10. We're not actually past 10. Price will take a lot to come back to it, though. And bro, this TP's a joke. This TP's, I'm gonna... I don't even know. Surely not. The only way we can really come out, if it's not coming to... only way we can take out is if it comes to TP. Okay, cool. I didn't place it again. Fuck! Bro. Okay, right, let's do that again. Let's place it quick. Let's make sure that's on. Let's make sure we lose the percent for that. Okay, nice. We're still just below 12% up. We're 14th of November. Well, that's high swept, so we can start looking at a trade through straight away. Go again. Oh, that's annoying because again, that's annoying because obviously it hit TP before, so I would have took it off. That's kind of annoying. So I hope this doesn't. Well, I hope it doesn't win or lose. I really hope it doesn't TP though. Not gonna lie. That's stop loss, right? Okay, cool. Okay. That's why you take limit off, boys. If trade already hits TP, that's a good reason there. We'll have to take the -1% for that. I need to stop letting it go so quick, for fuck's sake. Right, next day. Where are we at? We like 18th. We're back to Tuesday, so we're back to sort of midweek. Let's see if we take this high. I'm assuming we're going to come take the high, yeah. We're looking for a trade through. Nope, yeah, short off that. Whoa, mace. Whoa. Did I miss one I didn't know about? Or did I go back and place it? Did I go back and place it? I think I have gone back to place the ones that are no fair value, significant enough. No. Just fuck all going on there. Alright, there we go. Bro, we're getting bare unlucky these. Oh, bro, look how unlucky that is, bro. So unlucky. It's a shame it's not a cancel limit. We go again. We go over it and go again. We get the fuck over it and go again. Previous day of life. We take that Asia low, I'm going to see, man. I'm going to see, man, if we take that low. Yeah, maybe it's a good idea we don't take the low, to be fair. What fucking hell, what time is it? 11. That's a fun day. What day is it? That's a Thursday as well. What's Friday bringing? Just a sweep on a high. I need to trade through. Why does he keep taking my magnet? Stop loss of that, we go again. Back to a Monday, that was a Friday I think. Back to Monday, yeah, back to Monday. This is where our winnies come. Taking lower, taking higher. Take higher, trade through would be there. I'm assuming we might even trade higher. Don't break the high again, no, it's equal high, so I wouldn't even count that as a trade through. We're going to come straight to high again, it looks like we want to. Now we can have the entry. Got a trade through, that is a trade through. Why is it? Why do you think? How do you think that's a buy order, bro? Stop loss on that one. We go again. We go again. This is bad. I'm looking for a trade through this 5, so that higher. That's a trade through. That's a shoot. Fuck, I didn't want to do that. No, Mace. I didn't mean to press that button. Oh, fuck. To be fair, we didn't really see if what happened. We only saw that it did get in it. Where is it? Right, so yeah, entries here, right? And now we can buy limp or sell on it. Stop pressing the journal. This makes why not quickly looking at bias before, or you just take an LG, bro. I'm getting pure ALG data here. I'm not nothing. What I'm essentially same as what I did yesterday, right? So I'm just getting pure LG data because, again, the reason why I want this is because we all build off the ALG, right? Because I mean, you don't want to be trading every single day because there's days you're not going to be trading, but though they're sort of confluences that we've got added in, right? That stop us from placing trades on like Friday, stop placing the sell trades when we're bullish. But we're just going through the whole thing. We're going through the whole thing, broski. But anyway, let's go. Stop loss on that. We move on. We're still 10% for the month. Where we at? Where we at? Okay, we traded a bit high, but already Asia's high. We've taken the high again. Let's look for a trade through. Nothing of significance right now. There we go. Thank you. Let's give me a boner. Let's see if we trade through. Trade through. Trade through. Trade through. Yeah, we'll trade through. Just short of that marva. Because again, there's a lot of stuff you can learn just by showing this ALG, right? There's a lot of stuff you'll be able to learn. How is that not a TP before I say anything? How is that not a take profit? Is that a joke? Right, let's TP. Come on, TP on. TP for us. Come on. Come on. Nice. Right, another TP, boys. So we're back up to 15% profit throughout November, and it is only currently the 26th. Actually, I think there's only like 2 days left. Is this Wednesday? Yeah, there's only 2 days left. So we will see. Bro, the raw ALG's actually been doing insane. Just raw ALG like this. Pardon me. Yeah, it's been playing insane. Because I feel like it's always good to come back and actually realise how good the ALG is, just with a few less confluences, but also seeing this, like there's a lot of trades we've been seeing here, a lot of Friday losses, a lot of wrong bias losses. But obviously it would have got you in on less trades. So I guess it depends on what type of trader you are. Are you willing to take less but obviously have more losses? Or are you, because obviously when back testing it's easy to say with 15%, but psychologically are you able to actually do that? Probably not. Maybe you can't place trades every day. Do you know what I mean? Maybe you're not up every single day at 6:30. Maybe you don't have that. So these data is if you was to wake up at 6:30 and strictly just trade Asia, ALG, with zero emotion. Obviously back testing this isn't a result you're going to get. It just isn't. It just isn't. Psychologically, you are not going to be able to get these results. But this is just showing what the ALG will be able to do for you. And boys, again, this strategy we've done for years. We've had this strategy for years. It's not ours, of course not. It's not a strategy we've made up. And no, it's not really ICTs or anyone like that. The Asian liquidity is a thing. The European manipulation, the London manipulation has been a thing in the markets for years, all right? And that isn't a thing that's just been discovered by ICT or any of these people for the matter. This is renownedly known within trading that there is London manipulation of Asia. That is a known thing, and that has been in the markets for ages. So again, we're using a real market scenario that actually makes fucking sense to trade these markets. And if you question why it works so much and why does it actually do that, that is why, right? This is why. This London manipulates Asia. That's how it works. That is what happens in these real markets. So that's why it's important to note these things. We're not just looking at something that Richesse have just made and this is that and it just somehow works from a technical standpoint. No, it is backed by literal market scenarios, right? That's what actually happens. Anyway, mate, shut the fuck up, put some music on and let's continue.
Shit, time to get shot at.
Time to get chased by the police and arrested.
Niggas need a spot where
We can kick it. A spot where we belong. It's just for us.
Niggas ain't gotta get all
Dressed
dressed
up and be Hollywood.
Know what I mean? Where the niggas go when we die? Ain't no heaven for a thug nigga. That's why we go to Thug Mansion. That's the only place where thugs getting free.
You gotta be a G.
At Thug Mansion.
Fucking hell, very one directional.
And with a tribe, but when I held that knife, all I could see was my mama's eyes. No one knows my struggle, they only see the trouble. Not knowing it's hard to carry on when no one loves you.
Picture me inside of misery and poverty.
No man alive has ever.
Right, let's see how this one goes down, lads. I don't know, because I didn't really like how he was already trading quite heavily to the downside. But again, still 14%. And I think we've got one more day left for November. Ooh, this Asia session looks fucking accumulative. We swept the low. We swept the low, but it's just no 5 minutes, so we're gonna have to wait. There we go.
Ain't no place I'd rather be. All the things that's right for me.
Mate, this morning looks fucked. Like, fuck me. What a weird morning. Fucking hell! Bro, what? Alright, I guess we have to trade this then. Holy shit, what are these conditions? Well, when was this? The 28th? Oh, this was the fucking budget, bro. No, this wasn't even the budget. Friday. No, this wasn't the budget. I think the budget was Wednesday 26th, wasn't it?
Coming from the bottom.
Yeah, 26th. That was Wednesday. So no, it weren't. What was it? I think there must have been US news or something going on. Was it NFP? Actually, November we wouldn't have had it. So let's have a little look. November the 28th. German prelim. No, not really anything. Well, German prelim other than that. That's a loss. So boys, I think that's it for the month. I think that's it. I'm pretty sure. Right. There's another one, boys. So that is that. Let's look at the analytics for the account. Let's have a look how we did. Like I've always said, win rate means literally fuck all. I mean, it does, but obviously you need to partner it with, obviously, your RR. I mean, you need to get an average between your win rate and your RR to actually fucking find out what is somewhat profitable. Here we had 15 trades, 6 of them won and 9 of them lost. To be fair, there was actually one that I lost, which I should have cancelled limit because it hit TP. So we would have had a bit of a better win rate. But using these stats because they're worse is probably even better. So total trades, again, all in London. Profits, mainly in London. I guess actually sort of, I mean, yeah, still mainly London. So very efficient trades as well. Worst loss, minus 0.93%. Why? It says risk 1%. Fuck's sake. Oh, I guess it does have the initial balance, so it doesn't actually compound. Max wins was 2. Max losses, which is very important, is 4. Right? Very important. Very important. Because again, if we keep on getting consecutive losses is what people really don't feel like they need, but you do. Because again, if you have too many losses at once on the trot, you will lose your funded account. And again, we're all funded account traders, right? So that is important. That is imperative to understand. Is that we need... We should even really go on the... I forgot you can actually do this. You can do a prop firm account. But yeah, no break-even trades because I'm not a rotten homosexual, to be honest. If you go break-even, then in my opinion, you are just a bitch. And if you're a woman, that's fair play. I feel like every woman would go break-even. If women were traders, they would go break-even. Do you know what I mean? That's just a fact. But yeah, really good stats. Best win was near enough 5%. Average win 3.52. Average duration of trades 2 hours and 51 minutes. For me, from an intraday perspective, that's great. There's a few quite inefficient ones. November was an efficient month. Maximum wins 2, but all importantly 13%, which is very, very good for the month. What's your win rate with this strat on average? Win rate, again, this is not refined. But Lou did break even today. Lou's a bitch then. Boys, you're going to have to tell him from me. You can't do it. I mean, I'm pretty sure, thank God he went break even. But again, principle. My win rate is 55%. Lovely. 1.5 R. Oh, great. Yeah, nice. Around 80 to 100 trades a year. Average 30 to 40% per year. Is that good? Bro, that's very good. Again, and the thing is, boys, if you make anything above, let's just say 20% a year, I think is very good, personally. I think is very good because... And again, like, when I say 20%, I mean on average, right? Because let's just say you get 40% this year, right? Is it Elia? I think, or Elia? Elia. I think it's, sorry if I get your name wrong, bro. I think it's Elia. Eli, or Elia, or Eli. Bro, I don't even know what to call you, bro. I'm going to call you Els, right? I'm going to call you Els. So, so again, it's great if you got 40% this year. That's fantastic. Even 30% is great. But again, on average is what you need. Like, again, even if you drop from 30% down to 20%, but you can do that averagely each year, perfect, bro. 20% isn't massive at all. I'll say that's on the lower end. That's not even 2% a month. That's like 1.2, 1.3% a month or something like that. But that growth, that steady growth, I promise you will make you a lot of money over time. Like, but I don't think people realise the power of compound and the power of more funding. And bro, I've noticed it, man. I mean, I've traded with a big amount of funding for the last couple of years now. I've realised you don't need great amount of percent. But bro, 30 to 40% a year, man, fucking perfect, brother. If you can do that every single year, that is insane. But I see you get 50% in 1 month. I'm doubting myself now, bro. What I shown with this strategy, right, is something like this is the raw ALG, but you wouldn't trade like this, right? Because again, there's a lot of stuff that comes into play in the markets. I didn't look at news once, right? And bro, one of my losses could have been a news loss, which could have been way more than 1%. It could have been 2-3%. Depends on where price was and how big the spreads were in the scenario. Because spreads are widened when there is high impact news. I don't know that. So again, these profits, this isn't what you're going to see. Plus, this doesn't have commission and spreads on, so all the profits will be less than what it is. And again, this was 13.5%, not 15. But again, all it like you. I promise you, anything from like 25% onwards is very, very good. Per year, very, very good. Don't let anyone tell you different, man. Oh, I made 50% this month. Don't listen to other people, man. Don't listen to other people. I'll be so honest, man. Like I don't. There's no point in us talking about how much percent we're making. I feel like that conversation's fucking pointless. Do you know what I mean? So it doesn't matter, bro. As long as you're happy, as long as it's enough for you, as long as you're still steadily growing as a trader and that, bro, it's all that matters, man. I'll be so honest. So I shouldn't switch strat and aim. Bro, never switch strat. First things first, never switch strategy. Never. Because the problem probably isn't going to be your strategy, which you'll probably later find out. Or it might be your strategy, right? I mean, I don't know what you trade, right? You could trade... I mean, I've been seeing Lou look at some eclipses and some moon shit recently, which I don't even know what the fuck that is, bro. But again, the concepts and the strategy matters, right? Because it's got to make sense in terms of the real market, especially from my perspective. It has to make sense. If it doesn't, I don't know if I can trust it, right? But most of people's problems doesn't come from their strategy. Most of people's problems come from their head or just purely just being lazy and not really putting their time to the right stuff. I have 2 losing months now, November and December. I lost 100k in funny because of all that, all rules-based trades, but that caused me to doubt myself. Why September and October got me 12 R? Is that normal? 100%, bro. 100%. I think what you need to understand as well is how the markets work. And the markets move in phases. And there's certain times of the year where the FX market is going to have really good price action, and there's going to be time where price action is shit. And normally, I mean, this December wasn't. I'd say this December wasn't. But again, how are you losing your account? Like, how many trades are you placing? Maybe your problem is, Eli, that you've got to just refine your trades a little bit more. Because like you said, you're placing 80 to 100 trades a year. I mean, that's not a lot. I mean, it's not I don't think 80 to 100 is a stupid amount. I don't, to be fair. That's like 10 trades a month. That's not bad. It's not bad. So there's 4 or 5 weeks in a month. It's normally 5 weeks, isn't it? Well, no, it's not. It's more than 4 weeks, but it's not awful. I mean, what's that? 2-3 trades a week? It might be a bit too much. Average 1 to 2 trades per week. Sometimes even none. Okay. How did you get 100 trades a year then? Well, let me do the math. Oh, well, 80 to 100. That kind of makes sense. How many months are in a year? Is it like 36? How many months in a year? Wait, I just said how many months in a year. Well, how many weeks in a year? 52. Yeah, 100 trades is like 1 to 9. It's like 1 to 2 trades. Yeah, it's like 1 to 2 trades a week. Some none. So yeah, probably about 80 trades. I don't trade before an FPC, and FMC. Okay, nice. Yeah, that makes sense. So that takes away at least a trade. That takes away pretty like 2 trading days. Well, how do you trade, Eli? Or Elia? Oh, sorry, bro. Is it Elia? Yeah. What is your strategy you trade? Bro said 36 months in a year, bro. I'm fucking... What is wrong with me? Fuck. Well, how many subs you want now on the YouTube, boys? 4264. Come on, bro. Well, the growth's been insane, boys. I appreciate you, man, for supporting, bro. We did nuts. We're just on top right now, bro. Just on top. But yeah, great rewards there, lads. I'm really happy with that. Really happy with that. Elia, come drop me a message, bro. If you've got any questions, man, feel free to ask me, man. Okay, nice. But yeah, it's normal to have winning months and losing months, bro. It's totally normal. And this is the thing. People think being profitable means being profitable every month. And in my opinion, that's almost as fucking stupid as saying stop loss or break even smart. I think it's stupid. Looking at your profits on a month-to-month basis is fucking silly, right? If you really want to be fucking make a lot of money in your, if you want to make a lot of money in your life, you need to start looking at everything on an average of a year. And trust me, you will notice a lot more growth. Because that's the thing with people, they don't understand how real longevity is by looking at stuff on average on a longer term basis. So looking at shit month to month is just like looking at a paycheck month to month. But if you look at a balance sheet for a company, you're looking at it either from a quarterly perspective or a yearly perspective, annual or quarterly. Exact same as what you should be doing with your trading, quarterly and yearly, right? Don't worry about month to month, bro. Don't worry about it. Trust me. Everything, most shit's done in quarterly or years, tax year, VAT quarters. Everything that's institutional based is quarters and years. That's why I've always looked at quarters and years. Don't worry about month to month. I sometimes don't even get payouts month to month. I usually don't do payouts month to month. But that's how it goes, boys. But I don't go down from the 15 minute. So let's say Asia got swept and made 2 MSS and left the 2. Wait, sorry, what? Let's say Asia got swept and made 2. Like a 2 structure shift. 2 of them. So I could be very unlucky that I got the 2 losing month and get funded up. I got 4 powers in that account. And then Blue wants to lose the streak started. Yeah, I mean, bro, that's the thing. Like, and that's why I've always said, boys, like, payouts don't matter. Like, I've heard so many people say, like, I've got a payout, I'm now profitable and shit. And it's, fuck, mate, I feel like grabbing this mic, man. This is a big thing. And I want to just repeatedly do myself in the fucking dome with it. Payouts doesn't mean shit, boys. It's proof of concept, which is great for your psychology, but do not think you're profitable, because I see so many people on socials waving around fucking, payouts and shit, man. But bro, payouts isn't what's hard, man. It's the longevity of it and keeping in the same headspace and that's the hard bit about trading. So getting a payout to me is no flex. I'll be so honest. And I feel like now, Elio, you kind of understand why I'd think that, because it's a great proof of concept. It's great getting the payout, 100%. But do you know what I mean? Mainly because I've gone through that. I've had a payout for 4 hours on top of the world. 4 hours the bollocks. Thought, this is it, mate. I'm the fucking king. I can do whatever the fuck I want. Lost my account. Sorry. I got funded, first of all. Thought that. Didn't get a payout. Tried again. Did it again. Got a payout. Then I really thought I was the geezer. Thought I was the bollocks. And I lost it after that. And I lost it like 3 months after that with no payout. It was a painful one, you know? I have a funded account. It's been 10 months and still not cleared phase 1, lol. Fucking hell, Lord. Jesus. That's so long. That is so long. What is it? Just that break even? How are you doing on it? I do have my 15k over 0.25% payout locked in since 2 weeks ago. I do have my 15k with a 0.25% payout locked in. Oh, okay, yeah, nice. That's nice. I mean, I wouldn't even pay that out. I'll just keep it in the account. It'll be good to go into the new year with just a positive balance, right? It really hurt the ego. Yeah, man, but trading's a place for zero ego, man. You can't have ego, you know? Like, honestly, it's like, bro, when you walk into your office or whatever you have, I don't know if it's like your bedroom where you trade or whatever it is, but when you sit at your desk or whatever, honestly, bro, leave all ego out of your space. No one's better than anyone else. And you're always going to be learning. Bro, I did a YouTube video on this when I was in Thailand ages ago, right? This is probably about a year ago now. Probably like a year and a half, 2 years maybe. Did a video on it. Like, I specifically said this, like, if you really want to if you really want to be profitable and sort of stay in that mindset where you're always going to be profitable, remind yourself that you're always going to be a fucking learner. Like, regardless, you're always going to be a learner. Even I'm still trying to learn what's constantly going on. New markets. It's my first year with a new president like Trump. With a new president, full stop, really. Like, I've not traded when there's been a new president. I haven't. I've not been profitable for that long yet. Now I have. Now I understand it, and now I can see what to expect from the markets. But yeah. Well, the payout date is tomorrow. Maybe it's good for psychology to get that money out and leave it, break even 26 and whatever you want to do, brother. $30 is groceries. True say, man. True say. Well, I could not focus past 10 months because of studies. And that's fair play, then, bro. If you got other shit going on, Cosmos, it's fair play. Maybe 2026 should be your year, man. Be your year to lock in. Be your fucking year. But boys, this has been another ALG stream. I'm going to jump off now. I'm going to bake off. It's nearly 4 o'clock. I'm going to bun a fucking Zane. Chill out. We've got some more data for another month of the ALG. Straight raw. Really great results. Boys, this strategy we've traded for years. And something I would like to say that we've perfected to a T. So if you still haven't learned this strategy and you're still lost in the wind with shit, man, come drop us a message. Gold has been my biggest issue. Big wins, massive losses. Yeah, massive losses. What do you not have positive RR? What the fuck are you playing at, Emmy? What you playing at, brother? DXY still slowly coming up. Slowly getting there. We won't see gold come up just yet. I still want to see DXY to the daily open, the end dog. So I feel like DXY is still going to come up till then. Quite positive data just come out from it as well, so it's going to rebalance it back up. But you, man, if you still... Hey, boys, let me know if you actually like these streams, man, where we go through a back test. Can still do these battles as well. Let me know in the Discord and the free chat if you, man, rate them, man. I fucking love doing them. I think it's quite fun. I haven't used FX Replay in time, and I forgot how fun it is. But I feel like it's better when doing it with people, man. Sitting music, back testing, I think it's quite good for this time of year. It's the time where we should be back testing, forward testing, grabbing some data, understanding ourselves a bit more, understanding the market a bit more. But boys, I love you all. I don't know if I will... are we streaming tomorrow? I like the back testing stream. It's interesting. Nice, bro. Nice. I'm more than happy to continue. I bet actually enjoy them. I'm not going to lie. I better do enjoy them. But yeah, I don't know if we're going to be live tomorrow. We might be. But yeah, boys, I love you all, man. If I don't speak to you, man, I probably will in the Discord. But you, man, have a good Christmas. If I don't, I fucking love you all to death, man. Speak to you guys tomorrow, man.